We're at Tuna 066. We're on Day Road, Ventura County right now, 3 p.m. We're gonna go bust an arms dealer. Follow me. I got 2 tangles at the Bravo. Permission to proceed. Thank you, Candace. Freeze! Freeze! Put it down! Put it down!
Stop! No! Stop! No! 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 Sorry.
Get up! Sit down!
Okay!
Sit down!
Sorry. Come on, man.
Who is your supplier?
I can't tell you. I can't tell you, fool.
Oh yeah, you can.
No. No, fool. No, no. Oh! Oh, Muhammad! Oh!
You know how many Muhammads are there out there?
Many.
Turn it off!
Sorry.
Turn it off.
Sorry.
Okay, you can turn the camera back on. You should see this.
The camera out of my face.
Who is your supplier?
I told you already. It was Muhammad.
You know how many Muhammads there are?
There's much Muhammad.
I'm gonna need a last name on him.
I don't know.
Okay. I'm the paramedic you requested. Oh my goodness.
I didn't request paramedics, I requested backup.
Oh.
Candace, who the hell are you sending here?
I'm the paramedic you requested, sir.
I don't need no paramedic, I need backup. This
Sir,
man's
I need to
clearly
help this
dead.
man.
This man is clearly
You
dead.
shot him.
He's dead.
Oh
You
my
deal with
goodness.
him, I got better things to deal with. Who is your supplier's last
I've
name?
told you, Muhammad, and I can't say the last name. Ooh.
Spell it out for Candace.
It's TOFALGLLMH.
You got that, Candace?
Oh my goodness.
What's the situation?
Execution.
Clear.
Clear.
A paramedic. Paramedic. Can you help this man over there patch up his
This
legs?
man is dead, sir.
Yeah, I
You
know.
killed him.
I know he's dead. Now, can you please attend to my other victim?
Hey, fool, get someone over here.
Shut up. He's coming.
All right. Oh my goodness. Sir, your kneecap.
Open up my hand, fool. I need my. Oh,
Oh my goodness. I need some serious bandages.
I need surgery to get this bullet out of my other
It
leg.
went clean through. You're fine.
Sir, did you have to take major measures just to get the answers from him? Oh my goodness, this is serious.
Oh, this hurts.
He'll never be the same again. Oh my
I
goodness.
can't feel my legs no more.
We're gonna have to call in.
Think you can take over?
We're gonna have to call in the rest of the crew.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
No. Get this stuff out. No. Ow. My arms are twisted.
Okay. Cut
Thing
cameras,
record?
please.
I believe so.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
See, since the camera crew can't fit in our vehicle, we gotta bring this camera along. Record it.
Have reports of illegal immigrants on Day Road. We'll be moving in shortly. Alright, let's get ready. Wait, turn the camera off.
How do I do that?
3,
2,
11.
1.
Reports of illegal immigrants in this area. Sergeant Jackson coming in from the left wing.
Sterling coming in from the right.
Come from Jew Bagel.
Hands on your head. Down on your knees. Get up. Get up.
Up. Let's go.
Damn Canadians. You need to stay out of our country. 17th one this week. Damn epidemic on our hands. We'll meet you back at the station. Okay, that thing's back on.
Alright.
We killed that case, didn't we?
Yeah. We're not half bad of a team.
Hey, shut up back there!
Come on, hold, let me out. Come on. I
Can't ever learn to shut up.
Come on. Come on.
What's that again? Okay, we just got ordered a suspicious package in the middle of the road. We're gonna go check it out. We're en route, Candace. Thank you very much.
This sounds like fun.
Just another day.
Attention, Jubilee unit. We have a donut sale on 53rd Street.
Damn it, Castaneda! Stay off the line!
Dunkin' Donuts, though.
Should we stop off?
Let's do it.
I'd do it.
Alright.
Candace is gonna take a little bit longer than we thought.
A lot longer than we thought.
Damn it, camera again.
Camera, come on.
Come on, hurry up! Hurry up!
Alright, I'm coming.
Get these donuts in here. We gotta go to...
Let's roll.
Candace, we're en route.
With donuts.
They don't need to know that.
Just making sure.
Those are for us. Strictly. My orders.
Alright.
No sharing. Sharing is not caring.
Heard you loud and clear.
I heard you guys got some donuts.
Damn it, Castaneda! Stay off the line!
The second time?
Man never learns.
Ah.
The hell was that?
I don't know. Should we stop?
Nah.
Alright.
We're cops. We can't have a hit and run. Okay, I think this is it.
Alright.
Camera. Where's the button? Where's that button? I think they switched cameras on us.
Should I bring the donuts? Hold on, we're not ready yet. Alright. Alright. We have reports on a suspicious package in this area. Sergeant Wolf is gonna check it out. Bomb has lethal potential. Calling in bomb squad. Calling in bomb squad. Yes, Candace? Candace? Alright. Heard you loud and clear. Candace said, cut the red wire.